Hello friends, you are welcome in this presentation of the social science. Name of the book Our Past is First, Class 6th, Chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is On the Trail of the Earliest People, Part 2. The content creator is Bashir Gujri. Learning outcomes of the presentation are: the learner describes the distinctive features of early human cultures. The learner locates important hunter-gatherer sites on the map of India. In the first presentation of this chapter on the channel Bashir Gujri, we have learnt that men and women of old Stone Age were nomads, the people who wandered from place to place rather than making permanent settlements. They lived in caves or in tents made of tree branches and animal skin. Small hunting bands followed herds of wild animals which they killed for meat. They also gathered fruits, nuts, seeds, honey, roots, and grains. When sources of food ran short, people moved on. Now the question is, for making tents out of the branches of the trees, for killing or hunting of the animals, for cutting of the meat, for cutting of the bones, they might have needed certain tools. Yes, for living hunter gatherers needed tools. To hunt animals, they needed tools to cut meat and bone. They needed tools to scrape bark from the trees and hides from the hunted animals. They needed tools to chop fruit and roots, and they needed tools to chop wood, which was used as firewood. Archaeologists have found tools like these two, made of stone. Evidences like these suggest that people made and used tools of stone, wood, and bone, of which only stone tools have survived the best. It might be noted that stone tools may also have been used for digging the ground to collect edible roots. Stone tools may also have been used for stitching clothes made out of animal skin. Now look at the map of the India. Here, three triangular regions are shown in red. This is Bambedka, this is Hansi, and this is the region of Kurnool Caves. And the picture is tagged as hunter-gatherer sites in India. Yes, archaeologists have found evidences of hunter-gatherers in these three areas of India, namely Bhimbetka, Hansi, and Kurnool Caves. Now is the turn of assessment. Dear students, in the first column, we have put certain practices like cutting of wood, breaking nuts, digging the earth, stitching the clothes. In the second column, you have to put the tools used by hunter gatherers for these practices. And in the third column, you have to put the names of the tools which we use these days for such practices. Thank you for watching this presentation with regards Bashir Ahmed Gojri. For more such presentations, subscribe the YouTube channel Bashir Gojri.